Hey guys, Macy Woods with Woods Home Repairs. We're here in another unusual situation. It seems as though I always get the tough calls. So let me just introduce to you guys this project, this job for today. We installed a water heater. It's been about 2 years now, I think. Heater has been recently acting up. The pilot's been going out on a regular basis, and they come down periodically, relight it, and then it'll go out again. They have to relight it. Well, the instructions, it's always very important to keep all the paperwork for any new appliance with that appliance, or somewhere where you know that you can keep it. Rheem is a very reputable company. The gas control combination control valve started giving a red flash here. I don't think that it's flashing anymore because I disconnected the gas on the one. This is the new one, and what we're going to do is we're going to replace this one because the reading says gas, when it flashes 7 times, if you look at the top, it gives you light indicators and what they mean. There's one blue, ours is flashing one of these other red indicators, which is, whenever you have a problem, you always look at the top of the gas control valve and it lists all the possible problems that it could be. In this case, our light is flashing 7 times red, which tells you that there's a problem with the gas control valve. So it gives you a pretty good clue as to what the problem is. So we contacted the manufacturer, which was Rheem, and they sent us out this other one. Of course, they want to know when we bought it and have proof of any kind of purchase. So because we are a licensed company, plumbing company, we were able to sell this product for Rheem to this customer. My invoice, although they lost the receipt and no longer have it, my invoice shows when I installed this product, which was the whole water heater, and showed that it was still under warranty. So Rheem was gracious enough to send us out a brand new system, a brand new gas control valve. So with that, we're going to change it on this new on this new old water heater. Let's look at what we have to take loose in order to get the old control valve off and the new control valve on. First of all, because we're working with gas, you're going to need a couple of different products and items that are specific to running and solving gas line issues. I have a sealant, which is pipe thread. Some people call it pipe dope. This sealant is rated for gas, and this is what I typically use anytime I'm doing a gas line. It's important to keep this yellow pipe thread in your tool bag in case you're constantly doing gas lines or whatever. And so this is a great tool for me. It helps me out. Now, opposed to just the regular pipe thread, this is great, but it's white, and it's usually for water or any other kind of threading that you would want to do besides gas. This one is specifically for gas. And oh, did I mention maybe some WD-40, just in case some things are a little sticky and don't want to come apart. And of course, you're going to need two or three pipe wrenches and maybe even some channel locks. I don't have channel locks with me right now. They're in the truck, but right here, I just want to show you guys what we use. The very first thing you're going to do is you want to drain the water heater because the control valve, the gas control valve that we were talking about, threads into the water heater, and that's what tells the tank if it's hot, if the water's hot, if it's getting cold. You know, it also controls the ignition system, the ignition switch that comes down, your thermocoupler, and the light indicator. Everything is ran off of this control nozzle, so you're going to need to take all of this apart. You're going to drain it first with a water hose attached to the end of this piece. You just simply thread it on and then open up the nozzle. You're going to need to open up your inlet, your cold water inlet, into the top of the water heater. That allows the air to get inside and for it to siphon through out the system and out your water hose. Okay. Unscrew your control valve, gas control valve, and so you want to make sure that you rotate it counterclockwise. Take this off, and this line connects to that adapter. The adapter looks just like that. You don't want to twist just this piece because you'll crimp this piece and it'll cause it to kink, and then that hose will fail and you'll get gas leaks all through the hose. Later on, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do another gas check. Actually, you can just go to my page, and I have other instructions on how to check for gas leaks. Real simple, easy trick. Anybody can do it. Just remember to take this one out after you've already disconnected your gas line. Then one at a time, we're going to disconnect everything else that you see attached at the bottom. We're going to twist this gas control valve counterclockwise, twisting it out. Follow the same instructions to get the pilot back lit and set the temperature to the desired amount, which in this case we're going to turn it up to B. Double check that our flame is going and that everything is right, that we're getting that blue flame and not the reddish yellow. Thanks for watching another one of Woods Home Repairs videos. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like us.